Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is SYAFIQAH ABDULLAH and I am from SYAL program. So today I would like to demonstrating about experiment 1, which is projectile motion. So in this experiment is basically about a cannonball is fired at different velocities and different angles to the horizontal. The relationship between the range, the height of projection, the angle of inclination, and the firing velocity are determined. So in this experiment, I have 3 tasks. First, to determine the dependence of range on projection with various angles. Second, to determine the dependence of range on projection with various initial velocity. The last is to determine the maximum height of range on projection for each test. So this is the virtual simulation and you have to choose lab. Okay. So in this simulation, you can launch the cannonball by click this button at 3 different angles, which is the first angle is 70, the second is 45, and the last is 30. So you can adjust the angles by move the launcher up and down. Okay. Second tools is this. This tools is using for get the range and height of the cannonball. You can use this or this. Okay. I have to use cannonball with mass 17.60 kg with diameter 0.5 meter with gravity 9.81. So I'm using initial speed 12 mm per second with angle 70 degrees. You can launch the cannonball by click this button like this. So yeah, you can adjust this to get the range. So you have to use this tool after you launch the cannonball. This tool is to know the highest of cannonball, and you have to make sure to get the accurate reading. Make sure you measure from this yellow line. Okay. Yes. So I got 6.47 meters for the height of cannonball with initial speed 12 mm per second using angle 70 degrees. So this is the result that I got from the virtual simulation. This is for range of cannonball by using 70 degrees, 45 degrees and 30 degrees with initial speed 7 mm per second, 12 mm per second and 15 mm per second. This is for the result of higher of cannonball with the same angles and same initial speed with the first one. So I think that's all for me.